Well, this is the easiest way to grow horned melons for next season. I've just tossed all the empty shells, the fruit skins, out here in the square garden, and they can come up. They'll be rotting over the next few weeks, and by the time it's spring, the seeds will just come up by themselves. Where are they? Oh, there they are. So there's plenty of them. And the seeds will just come up by themselves. They're just cucurbits, so that's just like tossing pumpkin seeds out, and they'll germinate. And my melons will be planted directly into the ground. This last season I decided to do them in cups, yogurt cups, just for fun, but it was all a bit tedious. Easy just to plant them where you want them, and they'll come up where you want. Well, I mean, wherever you. Some people in other countries do that too. When they're finished with the melons, they just leave a few to rot in their fields or wherever they've got them growing, and they come up automatically. That's how it should be. A beautiful colour when they're ripe, aren't they? Lovely. Cucumis, metuliferus. Those seeds will rot down well and germinate in spring. So all these skins still contain some seeds. They weren't. I could have scraped every single seed out, but if you leave a few seeds in the shells, they'll come up in the springtime. They'll all be rotting down, and we'll find them. Just one day we'll come for a walk in the garden, and then we'll say, "Hey, look, there's some horned melons coming up." You can see a few seeds still in the shells there. So in a couple of months' time, we'll just walk one morning, one late spring morning, and we'll say, look, there's some horned melons. And we don't have to do anything except water them. That's all we have to do, is water them for the summer. Of course, I'll put on some manure as well. This is lazy gardening, of course. Very lazy gardening, but it's fun. And I mean, growing pumpkins is easy, growing cucumbers is easy. So that will rot soon. See you for now.